4 days after Jozef Puska murdered Ashling Murphy, his sister-in-law Josefina Grunzova gave a voluntary statement to Gardaí that he'd gone missing that day and she didn't know if anyone called to the house that night as she was asleep. The court heard that 2 days later the 35-year-old asked to speak to Gardaí, giving a second voluntary statement that she did see Jozef at home that night looking like he'd been beaten up, saying she wanted to tell them as it was bothering her. She said people were saying Jozef was stabbed and beaten. I only saw him leaving. I'm telling you what I know. I can't get my head around it. If someone killed my daughter, I'd kill them, but I still don't know anything. When Gardaí asked why everyone lied in their first statement, she responded, I don't lie. I can't be responsible for others or what they say. She initially told Gardaí she wasn't asked to dispose of clothes, but then said that Thursday her sister-in-law Vera Gaziova brought Jozef's clothes downstairs and we burnt them in the fireplace. She was cautioned but went on to say, Vera burnt them, but I was there. They were in a plastic shopping bag. Vera took them out and put them in the fire. When asked was there anything on them, she responded, there was blood on the jacket. Actually, I saw blood on the sweater, not on the jacket. Miss Grunzova told Gardaí that Marek and Lubomir Puska rang Miss Gaziova and told them to burn the clothes. Gardaí asked her if she knew what was happening was wrong, and she said that she did know. Gardaí then asked her why she went through with it and what would happen if she didn't, and she said they were told to burn them so they did, and nothing would happen if they didn't, but later on she knew it was wrong. She told Gardaí she burned Jozef's t-shirt, socks and shoes and Vera burned the rest, saying they were half wet. It took maybe an hour and Vera tidied up afterwards, adding that Marek had told her the night before that Jozef had killed someone. When she was formally arrested, she said she only burned the socks, but everything else in her statement was the same, though some things may have come out different because she couldn't understand the Polish translator. Josefina Grunzova and her co-accused denied the charges. The trial continues. Nicole Gernan, Virgin Media News at the Central Criminal Court.